Hello guys, just as promised, I got your additional new design, additional to our collection, the um, quick draw sling bag. It can be worn as like a belt bag, but I like to carry it like this, like your typical sling bag. Yeah, like just like your regular um, everyday carry bag. Get enough space for everything. You can put your phone, your wallet, the keys, and this one have like a anti-theft back pocket. And you can put the money in, nobody can reach in. And your quick draw with the buckle on so nobody can just snatch it from you and grab it and open it. You can just unbuckle it. This is a model of a Glock 19 Gen 4, so it fits perfect. And the backing is a Velcro, so it's always it comes in a Velcro adjustable holster, and the whole back is pretty much Velcro. So if you have your own holster, you can just buy the rough part in Amazon and just stick the whole back of your favorite holster, and then you can just Velcro it like how it fits right for you and how you like it drawn. And then to put it back up, you just zip it. Don't zip it all the way. You can zip it all the way, but you need to leave some space to open it. Buckle it back up. And for big boys like me, there's enough loop so you can adjust it all the way. There is ample loop, you can stretch it all the way. This is how it looks with the anti-theft, because it's facing towards you, and there's enough room for everything. If you want to carry everything in one bag, your protection, your everyday stuff, phones, keys, wallets, everything, this bag would carry everything, including your protection, on a discreet manner. Nobody would notice it. It's designed to look like your regular belt bag, and nobody is secured enough. Nobody can just pull it. But if you need it, it's there. So far, this is the most discreet design I ever made. The newest design in our collection. The most room there is for everything, for everything you carry, everyday carry. with your protection on. If you want to carry everything in one bag, including your protection, get yours now.